Hello and welcome to the University of Kentucky's Technology Training Quick Tips. In this video we're going to show you how to create and use a clipping mask. A clipping mask can be used to mask an image on one layer to the existing pixels of the image below it. An easy way to visualize this is to imagine that the pixels on the layer below it are going to be the window and the image above that layer is what you're going to see through the window. Any pixel data can be used for the window layer, including text and shapes. For this example, we'll use a text layer as our bottom or window layer and a fill layer as our clipping mask, or what we're going to see through the window. First, create a text layer using the text tool from the toolbar. The color of the text doesn't matter since the clipping mask will eventually replace this from the text layer. Next, we're going to create the fill layer. So from the layer menu, choose New Fill Layer. And we're going to use a pattern for our fill layer. Go ahead and choose an existing pattern. And then click OK. Now the layer that you're going to use as the clipping mask must always be above the layer you're going to clip it to. Once you have the order of your layers correct, from the Layers panel, right-click on the new pattern layer that was just created and choose Create Clipping Mask. The layer now only shows up where the text pixel data on the layer below it is. While these two layers are connected, they still move as individual layers and can be adjusted as needed. Notice how if I just have the pattern layer selected, I can still move the pattern around inside my text. Or if I have just the text layer selected, I can move the text around, but the pattern stays still. If I want to move these both together, I need to hold down Control on my keyboard so that I can select both layers at the same time, and then they can be moved as one. Once the clipping mask is created, you can still add layer styles to the text layer, such as drop shadow, bevel emboss, or any other style you want to add. Simply choose your text layer, and then from your effects menu, choose the styles that you want to add to it. As you can see, any number of styles can be added to the text layer. And since this is a text layer, it can still be edited at any time using the text tool. Once you're finished with your text layer and your clipping mask, at any time you can remove that clipping mask from the text layer just by simply reversing the process and right-clicking on that pattern fill layer and click on Release Clipping Mask. That will separate the two and they'll no longer be connected. Thank you for visiting Technology Training's Quick Tips. For more information, please visit our website.